Here's what you'll need for a deceptively simple but nonetheless delicious way to do sea bass. Caribbean sea bass. There is sea bass. Get them on offer if you can. A couple of cloves of garlic, 2 or 3 spring onions, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. What I do if I get too many lemons, I just extract the juice, put it in an ice cube tray and save them for situations such as this. Some pineapple slices. I like to get them in a tin because they're already in juice, so I find they caramelise nicely. You can of course use fresh. And then a pepper. You can use habanero to give it a bit of a Caribbean spice, or just a normal bell pepper like that. And some honey. First thing we're going to do, just get some coconut oil. If you haven't got coconut oil, just use whatever you normally use. Into a pan. And then we're going in with your fish fillets, skin side down, for around 5 minutes, just to crisp up that skin nicely. As you can see, I've already dabbed it dry with some kitchen towel. When your skin is probably nice and crispy, we're going on with some salt and pepper. And then we're going on the top of there with some honey. Just going to spread it out nicely, and this will obviously help it caramelise. Once you've put the honey on, then it's just a case of flipping them over and they're going to caramelise. Another 3 to 4 minutes should do it. With your fish caramelising, time to just prepare what little veg you've got. So with the pineapple, I've drained the syrup and just cut them in half, as you can see. Makes them easier to fry. Then we're going to chop your spring onions. We're not going to use all that bell pepper, it's mainly for effect really. And mince your garlic. When they've had a few minutes, so that they're nicely caramelised, as you can see, put them onto another plate, and then you're going in with your onion, pepper and garlic. Then into there with one of your lemon ice cubes. Turn your heat up a bit, and it is in with said grapefruit. And we're going to give these a few minutes to caramelise as well. When your pineapple is nicely caramelised, all that's left to do is plate it up however you want and get stuck in.